off Morgan.
What's going on, guys? I was going to film this flight
sure.
here,
I didn't specify.
but I forgot the bracket or whatever goes around the GoPro. The only thing I have is this one.
Number 5216 Yankee, they were that call was in reference to that traffic now about 5 or 7 miles southeast of you.
Busy here on Atlanta Center. I can't fit the audio cord in that one, but it's just a beautiful flight here, so I thought I would at least show you. So we are, really don't know how well this is going to turn out. So we are just south of Tazewell, Virginia here. We're about to start crossing I believe these are the Blue Ridge Mountains. We're on our way to India November Tango, which is Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We're on with Atlanta Center here at 9,000. And look at that ground speed. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 136. We're truing out. We're indicating just over 100. So we've got a pretty good tailwind here, but look at this scenery. I mean, it is just beautiful today.
9124, 6.2, climbing 8,000 on course.
We had an air met for
moderate turbulence. Limited Roger. Just want to verify you climbed 8,000.
From the surface to 10,000.
Running 9124, Roger, final maintain flight level 230.
So smooth.
Climbing flight level 230 for runners 9124.
The leaves are starting to change colors here. Great day to be flying, guys. So
Atlanta, great afternoon.
I'll set you guys up here.
Coming up on 14 to 23.
Some film.
Jet 826 at Limited Roger.
Hey, we'll try it. So I'll hold you guys up here for a while. Actually, I'll put you over here.
Anybody else call and answer? Foxtrot Lima Charlie November, Atlanta.
So I don't really know what to do with you guys. I wish I could. I had everything for the GoPro, and then I left that one bracket at my house, and I was already at the airport, and I was like, I'm already running late. You know how that goes. So I wasn't going to go pick it up. Ooh, like the camera's a little dirty. Oh, I said, well, it is what it is. So maybe I'll buy one. I'm down here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We'll see how much they are and see if it's really worth it. I mean, I don't really need to. But weather's supposed to be beautiful for the flight home. We'll be coming back home tomorrow.
Rudder 9124, contacting Annapolis under 26.57.
2657, good day for runners 9124.
These are just starting to change colors.
Jet 826, contact
like off in
under
the distance, I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like there was a forest fire.
2297, 826.
That mountain over there, and it burnt the top of it, but everywhere else it's just beautiful. One thing I was worried about on this flight
16 Kilo Echo, Limited Roger, maintain VFR, Greensboro Altimeter 3018.
Was flying over these mountains. There's not a whole lot of places to land. I mean, there's a couple of airports. We actually have one coming up here. That just came in our glide ring on 4Flight, so shout out to 4Flight for that. That's awesome.
I landed out to 8906, passing 50.
So this whole flight I've been kind of picking spots where the entry weight I would go, and this whole flight I have not been out of gliding distance from a place to land, and that was kind of surprising because I was expecting to be exposed for a while, but I have not been at all. So I'll put up the route of flight, and I'll screen grab it for 4Flight so you guys see that. And it was kind of amazing. I mean, there were a bunch of roads on the Kentucky-Virginia border that it was like they were building a 4-lane or maybe just a big 2-lane, and they hadn't had it completed yet, but they cleared all the land.
Bingo A1, contact Roanoke approach on 126.9er.
126.9 for Tango A1, yeah.
They didn't look paved. Some of them looked paved, but it was just a perfect place to land. I mean, you have miles of literally empty road. I would venture to bet that not a whole lot of power lines on those. Even if there was, if you get that low in the mountains, it's your only option. So you better hope you can see them before you get down there on top of them. But
16 Yankee, go ahead.
I mean, it's the only place you have to go, so you're going there. But now we're just about to cross the highest mountains here.
And currently no traffic. That guy that's doing the break approach there, he's currently off here about 2 to 3 o'clock and about 8 miles southbound, 4,500 to be fast for you. And I can't call anything else.
Here at 9,000, we can easily get over them.
About 216,
especially with this tailwind.
When you're ready to head back towards
the Union. Much more reachable. Behind us,
8906, contact Atlanta Center 132.
It would have to be a really good spot for me to turn around. There's just nothing out in front of me, but you know, very comfortable flight here. The engine's running great. So I will probably turn you guys off for now. Maybe pick you back up when we start getting closer to Winston-Salem. We're 36 minutes out right now and 85 miles, so we're booking it. But I'll talk to you guys later.